Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best beach chair with an umbrella attached. The Sport-Brella Beach Chair with UPF 50 Plus Adjustable Umbrella in Gray. Whether you're planning a day at the beach, a picnic in the park, or just relaxing outdoors, this chair promises comfort, convenience, and excellent sun protection all in one compact design. Right out of the gate, this chair stands out for its thoughtful combination of a low-profile seat and an integrated umbrella that provides UPF 50 plus sun protection. The low-profile design means you're closer to the ground, which naturally props your feet up and offers a more relaxed lounging position, perfect for long hours of unwinding by the water. The umbrella is fully adjustable and attaches securely to the chair, giving you the freedom to move it around and customize your shade throughout the day. Plus, it can easily be detached and clamped onto other surfaces like coolers or picnic tables, making it a versatile sunshade solution beyond just the chair. Comfort is clearly a priority with padded armrests that come in a dark matte finish to prevent them from heating up under the sun. The armrests add a nice touch of softness and are durable enough to handle regular use. There's also a collapsible cup holder conveniently attached, so you can keep your favorite drink within reach without worrying about spills. Durability and convenience are key features here. The frame is made of sturdy alloy steel, which supports users up to 242 pounds. Despite its solid construction, the chair is lightweight, weighing just under 8 pounds, and it folds up easily to fit into the included drawstring carry bag. This makes it highly portable and easy to carry along wherever your outdoor adventures take you. The chair fabric is water-resistant and features a large mesh panel on the back. This mesh not only enhances airflow to keep you cool but is also practical for beach and water activities. You won't have to worry about the fabric getting soaked or damaged when used near water. Dimensions-wise, the chair measures roughly 5.9 inches by 7.65 inches by 36.5 inches, giving you a comfortable seating area without being bulky. When folded, it compacts down nicely for storage or transport. One unique aspect of this product is the Sport-Brella Versa-Brella umbrella itself. It offers a broad shade area with high UPF protection, making it perfect for shielding yourself from harsh sunlight. Its adjustability means you're not stuck with a fixed position. You can tilt and swivel the umbrella to block the sun from any angle during the day. Assembly is a breeze since this chair requires no setup. It unfolds quickly, so you can spend more time relaxing and less time fumbling with complicated instructions. Cleaning is simple too, just wipe it down when needed. All in all, the Sport-Brella Beach Chair with UPF 50 Plus Adjustable Umbrella is designed to combine comfort, sun protection, and portability into one neat package. It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor relaxation without sacrificing convenience or durability. That wraps up our look at this excellent beach chair with an attached umbrella. If you're interested in a hassle-free, comfortable beach chair that keeps you shaded and cool, this could be the one to add to your gear. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.